Exploring Fairness and Justice, Key Pillars of Harmony. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that touches the core of our society and interpersonal relationships: fairness and justice. These are not just words but principles that guide how we interact with each other and what we expect from our communities and systems. If you've ever wondered about their meanings and importance, you're in the right place. Fairness is all about equality and impartiality. It means treating people without favoritism or discrimination. In a fair system, decisions are made based on consistent principles, ensuring everyone gets what they deserve. But remember, fairness isn't always about everyone getting the same thing. It's about everyone getting what they need to have an equal opportunity. Key points: equality and impartiality are the core of fairness. Fairness ensures decisions are made without favoritism. It's not just about equal shares but about equal chances. Justice goes a bit further, encompassing the moral righteousness and fairness in the way we treat others. It's about applying laws and norms to ensure societal harmony and protect individuals' rights. Justice seeks to rectify wrongs and provide remedies for grievances, ensuring that there's accountability for actions. Key points: justice involves moral righteousness and the application of laws. It aims to protect individuals' rights and ensure societal harmony. Justice seeks to rectify wrongs and provide remedies. While fairness and justice are often used interchangeably, they have their nuances. Fairness is more about the equitable and impartial treatment in any situation, whereas justice usually refers to the application of this principle within the legal and societal framework. You can think of fairness as the broader concept that justice seeks to apply and enforce. Key points: fairness is about equitable treatment in any context. Justice is the application of fairness within a legal and societal framework. Fairness is the broader concept. Justice is how it's applied and enforced. Understanding and applying the principles of fairness and justice are crucial for maintaining harmony and respect in any society or community. They ensure that everyone's rights are protected and that we are treated with the equality and dignity we deserve. We hope this video has shed some light on these fundamental concepts and their importance in our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and remember to always strive for fairness and justice in your actions and judgments.